How to naturally improve air circulation in your room. Dear friends, improving air circulation naturally in your room is all about letting fresh air in, removing stale air, and creating a smooth airflow path. Here are some practical methods. 1. Open windows and doors. Open windows on opposite sides of the room to create cross ventilation. Keep interior doors open to allow air to flow between rooms. 2. Use the stack effect. Warm air rises and escapes through high windows or vents, while cooler air enters through lower openings. Open a window slightly at the top and another at the bottom to encourage natural airflow. 3. Keep air pathways clear. Avoid blocking windows, doors, or vents with furniture or heavy curtains. Clear clutter that may disrupt airflow inside the room. 4. Use plants wisely. Some indoor plants like areca palm or snake plant can improve air quality and indirectly make the room feel fresher. Avoid overcrowding plants as it can reduce airflow. 5. Take advantage of wind. Open windows on the windward side, where the wind comes from, and a window or vent on the opposite side to let air pass through naturally. 6. Use reflective or light materials. Light-colored walls and furniture can reduce heat buildup, helping air stay cooler and move more easily. 7. Avoid blocking natural drafts. Make sure external structures, like balcony doors, shutters, or screens, do not block airflow. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.